Hey guys, we are back in the bathroom for another skincare video. So I'm going to be doing a new series here on my YouTube channel. So it's going to be how to become a pro makeup artist. So we're first going to start with skincare. So there are going to be 3 videos on, we're going to do nighttime skincare routine, we're going to do a daytime skincare routine, and then we're going to do a skincare prep before makeup. So we're first going to start by how to create a nighttime skincare routine. So the first step in creating that type of routine, or nighttime skincare routine, is to let's identify what type of skin type you have. So for me, I have oily skin, but I also a little bit. It's not like super oily. Like, I just have it like oily skin. My skin is like really oily in the T-zone, and then the outer perimeter of my face is kind of a little bit of a on the drier side. Just in the T-zone is where I have that oil. And I do have acne prone skin. So let's first start by taking off the makeup. Now I'm going to put my little headband. This is a Los Angeles Chargers headband. I'm just going to put that on. So normally I would have, like when I take off my makeup, I would have lipstick on, but since I've been doing things throughout the day, I've been eating lunch, dinner, and it's rubbed off, so that's okay. And I already took off my lashes because I was like, I can't do lashes anymore. When it comes to removing the makeup, I like to cleanse twice, so I'm going to go in with a cleansing balm first. I like to go in with that first because it really breaks down the makeup. So we're going to go in with the Glow Recipe Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This is my favorite cleansing balm to use for when I want to remove my makeup. And I only use it for my nighttime skincare routine. I don't use it as a daytime cleanser because it really helps with removing the makeup. You can see I'm almost out of it, and I definitely need to get more of this guy. So like I said, I like to cleanse twice, so I'm going to just put some of that in my hands and then kind of just like warm it up. And I really just focus on the eyes, and then I do go in with another eye makeup remover just to remove like the mascara, the lash glue, just because sometimes I don't really get like the residue of the mascara off with just the cleansing balm and the cleanser that we're going to go in to next. So once all of the makeup is dissolved, I'm going to rinse it off. Then I'm going to get my little skincare towel. Actually, I need to wash this. So I've done so many skincare videos on my channel, like my at-home facial routine. This day is actually not a facial routine day, so I'm just going to do my normal everyday nighttime skincare routine, but I'll have that facial routine video linked down below. I absolutely love doing it. Just to like pamper myself, or when I'm doing my pamper routine, I also include the facial routine as well. Cleanse the face with my cleansing balm. I actually need to get my phone. Have you ever done that? Finding your phone and it's in your pocket? That's just happened to me. It was in my pocket. Ugh. So the reason why I got my phone is because I like to use my phone with the Foreo. I don't like to just turn it on with that and just do it like that. So again, let's go into the second cleansing. This is actually my new favorite cleanser. This is the Jafra Royal Jelly Defy Rich Cream Cleanser. So I'm actually going to get the Foreo set up. I like to kind of get that ready so like I can prep my face first. So I wet my face, put the cleanser on, and then massage it with the Foreo. So my favorite eye makeup remover is the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. So I like to shake it up, and I'm going to take a Q-tip. Normally I go in front of my big wardrobe mirror, but I'm going to use a mirror like this to remove the makeup, or eye makeup. And I really take my time to remove all of the mascara and glue, because I'm currently trying to remove my lashes. I mean, to grow my lashes. That is done. We're going to come back to the lashes later in the video because, like I said, I'm trying to grow out my lashes and I have a lash serum that I like to use. So we're going to do that last step literally right before I go. Okay, the next step is to do an exfoliator. My favorite exfoliator right now, I have two, but the other one is a liquid exfoliant and I'm going to use that one. I use that one in my morning skincare routine, or when I prep the skin for makeup, so I'm not going to use that, obviously, but I'm going to use the Jafra Beauty Dynamics Microdermabrasion Cream, and this is the only one that I don't use the Foreo with because, I don't know, I just like, I guess I just like to use my hands when I want to massage or exfoliate the skin with this. Okay, so now it's time to do a face mask. Now I want to use something that can really help with my acne. So I'm going to use here's the first ITK product that we're going to use. I was going to use a, probably my favorite face mask. This is the Lush Fresh face mask. I think maybe this was the first ever face mask that I've tried, and I absolutely love it. I think I tried Cupcake. Yeah, that was the first one I tried, and it was my favorite. And then this one is Rosy Cheeks. This is for acne scarring, and I absolutely love it. But since I have a little bit of breakouts right now, I'm not going to use that one. And this one helps tightens pores and removes buildup, and I absolutely love this one. And since today is Valentine's Day and it does turn pink, I wanted to use that one just for that purpose. So with any face mask now, I like to use a silicone brush like this one. I have been using just a regular makeup brush, but after getting these, I can't go back to a brush because this is just like the easiest thing to use. I absolutely love it. So for my at-home facial routine, I don't go all the way up to the under eye area because I like to put on my little under eye masks. But since today is not a facial, I'm going to go up right underneath the eye, but not like super duper close. I noticed that this face mask dries pretty quickly. It says for 5 minutes, but I kind of do it for 4 because since this dries super quickly. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry for about, I'm going to let this sit on the skin for about 5 minutes and then we're going to come back. Okay, so I just took off my face mask and I like to put these on whenever I wash my face or when I like rinse off my face mask. I absolutely love these. If I'm like wearing a long sleeve like I am today, or in general, I don't really like when I like wash my face. I don't like when the water like drips down my arm. So this is a great alternative. I used to use scrunchies and just like put them on my wrist like that. Water would still seep down through the scrunchie and get all my arm wet, my sleeves wet. With these, that doesn't happen at all, and I absolutely love wearing them. Doing my skincare routine, I'll link some down below. I don't know if I can find these because these were gifted to me, but I love these. The only thing is, these, if you sit like, yeah, they do kind of smell mildewy, so I am going to put these aside so I can wash them. And I do kind of like set them out to dry. Okay, now we're gonna go into toner. So I love this toner. This is the ITK Tri-Acid Toner. It exfoliates and it minimizes pores. I love this guy, and I love the applicator that it comes with. It's like a push down top thing. And I currently don't have cotton pads. I like using cotton pads a little bit better than cotton balls when using a toner in general. So this is all I have, so that's okay, but still, I like to use cotton pads. So I'm just going to apply this to the face. And sometimes this does sting if I happen to pop some of my pimples. I'm really trying to avoid doing that. Okay, now we're going to do a moisturizer. This is probably my favorite, or one of my favorite products from ITK. This is the Prebiotic Gel Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. I think this is like my 3rd or 4th bottle of this. I'm gonna use about that much, like to go between my fingers, and then apply it like that. For an eye cream, I've been kind of mixing it up with a Jafra eye cream and then the ITK eye cream. This is the ITK Day Plus Night eye cream duo. I'm going to use the nighttime one, obviously. So I don't know what happened to this one, but it's pretty messy in the little packaging. I don't know what happened. I'm going to use a very tiny bit under the eye. And I forgot that I like to do my eye cream first and then my moisturizer. That was my bad. Normally I would go in with my eye cream first and then my moisturizer, but I didn't do that. So I like to use 2 items before, like right when I go to bed. So I'm going to use the ITK Blemish Treatment Mist, and this is the product that I like to use for clearing up my acne. This is the only product I use for that specific reason. It's amazing, and so it treats acne and it controls oil, which I love. So I go with that, and then I'm going to go in with my lash serum and actually a lip treatment right before I go to bed. That's actually not that time yet, but I'm going to come back in a little bit and do those 3 things. Okay, so now I'm ready to do my treatment stuff. So I'm going to take my ITK Blemish Treatment Mist. Like I said earlier, I love this mist. It really helps my acne. So I'm going to spray this. You're supposed to spray this obviously where the acne is, but so I'm going to spray it just on my cheeks and a little bit on my chin and right in here. And I really like to let it dry before I go in with my lip balm and my lash serum. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to my serum, or my lash serum. This is the 2020 Beauty Get Growing Lash and Brow Serum. I wasn't going to use it on my brows, but I actually do really like to use it on my brows as well. Just like a tiny bit. I do half a pump on each eye, and I figured out that I like to use my finger for applying it rather than like a Q-tip. So I do half a pump per eye, like I said. So this is my 3rd day using this serum since I got it, and I've been doing some like daily pictures of it, and I forgot to do yesterday, so I'm going to make sure that I do today's as well. I'm just going to put the residue from the back of my hand on my brows, and I try to really let this soak in before I go to bed, because I do wear an eye mask to bed, so I really have to let it soak in. Next, I'm going to apply my lip product. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Plump Plus Repair Lip Treatment. I love this lip treatment. It's one of my favorites. I got this from Sephora, and I think once this is out, I'm going to get another one because this is really great. Okay, so that was it for today's video. The next video, we are going to be talking about how to create a morning routine. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!